up, and welcome back to Beauty by Faye. My name is Fewani, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to get this glowy look, this glowy summer look for the summer, because you know everybody want to be glowing in the summertime, right? Ashy skin is out and glowy skin is in. Before I get started, I just want to show some appreciation to my fellow black people out there. I am rooting for everybody. It's a sad situation that happened with George Floyd, and I'm so proud of my black people for rising up and taking a stand against racism, because racism is no joke, and we are going to continue this fight until we get justice, until we stop this racism once and for all. Some of these things are the reason why I came up with the idea of giving a motivational quote at the end of each of my videos, because each of us need motivation sometimes. Sometimes life is not as easy for us. Some of us have a hard time each day. I just want to uplift somebody and maybe lift someone's spirit with one of my videos. That's all I want to do.
Worldwide, baby. Jenny, taking this one worldwide.
I am an oily girl. I am so oily. I can literally scrape oil from my face. It starts showing all my pores, and it does some crazy thing to my complexion that I hate. My makeup always oxidizes and stuff like that. So I decided that I'm going to come here and show you guys how to get the glow without the oil. Okay? All right. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spritz my face with some setting mist. Now I'm going to go in with my Clean Beauty Skin Resurfacing Facial Serum, and I'm just going to press that into my skin. Now I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Clear Face SPF 30 Sunscreen Lotion, and I'm going to just go ahead and gently press that into my skin, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish off my brow using this Morphe Brow Pomade Offline. Then I'm going to go ahead and spritz my face again, and now I'm going to go in with this Becca Shimmer, and I'm just gonna put that onto the highest point of my face, and I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to just go ahead and press that into the skin. So now I'm going to combine two of my foundation, and I'm using the Stella Stay All Day foundation, and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm just going to use a flat foundation brush to go ahead and apply that onto the skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Real Technique foundation brush and apply the foundation just to blend it out a little bit better. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my Becca concealer, and I'm just going to apply this into my T-zone just to highlight my face. And then I'm going to go in with the NARS concealer in a darker shade to contour my face. Then I'm going to go back in with the beauty blender, and I'm going to first blend out the concealer shade first, the lighter shade, and then I'm going to go ahead and start blending out the contour shade. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and apply is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield setting powder, and I'm going to just apply a thin layer first before I actually apply the baking powder. Like I'm going to bake. I don't know, I'm so bad at this, y'all. And I'm just applying that all over my T-zone where I get the most oily. So now I'm going to go in with the Desert Oasis palette from BH Cosmetic, and I'm going to use the contour powder in that palette to set my contour. And this shade is really nice for bronzing also. So now I'm going to go ahead using a bigger fluffy brush just to brush off the powder from where I was baking. This powder is the bomb, y'all. I think I found my holy grail in powders. So now I'm going to go back into my BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to use the highlighter shade on my lid because I want my entire face to be glowing. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe ink liner, and I'm going to just apply a thin strip of liner to my lid. And then I'm going to just go ahead and apply my eyelashes offline. So now I'm going to go in with a black liner, and I'm going to line my waterline. So now I'm going to go in with this Real Technique highlighter brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and highlight my cheekbone. And then I'm just gonna go and highlight my nose and the tip of my nose, and I'm gonna just apply some to my forehead. So now I'm going to go in with this Morphe lipstick, and this lipstick is in the shade Boo, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my lips. And then I'm going to go in with this lip gloss from Milani and apply that right over the lipstick. So now I'm going to just go ahead and spritz my face once again, and then I'm just gonna take the highlighter and apply to my eyelid, and I'm going to use my Juvia's Place blush palette and combine the two colors and apply that on my cheek. So now I'm going to just use my fingers, and I'm pressing the highlighter into my skin, and now you can see that glow. That glow is real. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I am digging this look so much. It's the glow without all of the oily mess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have made it to the end, make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And remember, I post a new video every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you come back and check me out. So it's time for the motivational quote of the day. Speak life into yourself and everyone around you. By me saying that, I'm talking about waking up every day and looking at what you have and look at what you are grateful for. Look at yourself and don't pick apart yourself. Just look at yourself and say, I am beautiful, I'm beautifully made. Look at the things about yourself that you love and stop picking apart yourselves. And for others, look at the good in others instead of focusing on the bad. Like plenty of times we focus a lot on the bad instead of the good. So I hope this message reads somebody who will be inspired by my message. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.